morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to the EMS Contract Manufacturing Conference. This conference gives us an insight into the growing EMS industry and has participation from national as well as international speakers. Now, may I please call upon Mr. Thomas Loeffler, the Deputy CEO, MMI India Private Limited, to give us the welcome address. Let's call him upon with a round of applause.
Thank you very much. Good morning and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to welcome you warmly to this year's EMS conference sponsored by National Instruments during Electronica and Productronica India 2010. Let me give you a few background details about Messe Munich International, who is the organizer of the show and the conference. We are based out of Munich. And we have there our own fairground, and we are organizing there 40 exhibitions.
Now I would like to call upon Mr. Denver D'Souza for the first presentation of the day. He will be speaking about designing and about the next generation systems. The National Instruments is one of the pioneers of India instruments, and it's going to be the growing industry in India. May I please call upon Mr. Denver D'Souza.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and I'm Denver, and I'm a territory manager for National Instruments India. So,
from Indian Corporation, the title of speech is going to be PCB Surface Finishes, Implication on the SMT Process Yield. May I please call upon Mr. Liaquat Ali.
Can you hear me? Okay. So
let's call upon Mr. Keith Sweatman.
I think you have to put lead-free and historical.
Mr. Foreman from Foreman Consulting Network, Munich, Germany. He is the former VDMA Managing Director. And his topic for the day is EMS markets and trends. So let's call upon Mr. Foreman.
Thank you. We come to our yearly overview, and I almost have only good news. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Next have Mr. Magaya from Atotech, Germany, the Global Product Manager, PTH Department. He has 10 years of work experience with Atotech. His topic for today is potential low-cost palladium alternatives. So let's call upon Mr. Magaya with a round of applause.
Okay, thank you very much. I have the honor to speak to you.
Mr. Magaya. Ladies and gentlemen, we now break for lunch, and we will commence again at 2 p.m. sharp. Thank you very much. We will be having 2 presentations post-lunch, so please make your presence at 2 p.m. Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for attending. We will now call upon Mr. Anil Kumar, the President of IPCA, to take over the special session of this afternoon. HDI for Defense Aerospace coming up next. May I please call upon Mr. Anil Kumar with a round of applause.
Good afternoon, friends. It's very nice to see some crowd. I was a bit worried after lunch whether people went for a nap or something like that, but glad to see all of you. Let me just give you a very brief background about this special session which we decided to introduce. When I was talking to MMI people, they said this session is mainly focused on EMS and contract manufacturing. I just mentioned that the defense industry, which is going to grow very big in India, people have been talking about this, and now we have something called offset program. That means any foreign company which supplies anything to Indian defense, they have to outsource 30% from the local companies. This is a defense offset program. Some of you might be aware.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to Electronica Productronica 2010 Day 2, International Symposium, The Trends and Future Requirements in Automotive Electronics. Today we have Mr. Ganesh Guruswamy, the Vice President and Country Manager for Freescale India, who will be giving us the keynote today. So let's welcome him with a round of applause.
Good morning, and welcome to Electronica. I see that,
Coming up next, we have Mr. Ravi Kishore Ivaturi from Infineon Technologies, who has handled sales and marketing division for Infineon automotive products in India. His topic for today is Solution Towards Greener Tomorrow and Energy Efficient Mobility. Let's call upon Mr. Ravi Kishore Ivaturi.
Am I clear? Can everyone hear me right? Yes. Thanks, Mr. Ganesh.
Very much. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is Dr. Thomas Stange from Tyco Electronics. And his presentation for the day would be on sensor development for smart cars. Let's call upon Dr. Thomas Stange.
Are there any questions? No? Everybody's happy? Good. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Stange. Coming up next, ladies and gentlemen, we have with us Mr. Gyaneshwar Verma from First Sensor Technology, GmbH, Berlin. His topic for the day is Role of Silicon Sensors in Automotive Electronics. Let's call upon Mr. Verma with a round of applause. Thank you very much, Doctor. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now break for tea. It's just a short break of 10 minutes since we're running a little late. I request you all to please be present in the next 10 minutes. Thank you. The first speaker for the afternoon session is Mr. Rajendra Nath Goswami from Robert Bosch Engineering and Business Solutions Limited. His topic for the presentation would be AUTOSAR as a future automotive architecture for small-sized cars. Let's call him upon with a round of applause.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Very much, Mr. Nath. We have next with us Dr. Stefan Bunzel, who is from Continental and is the spokesperson for AUTOSAR. His topic for the day is AUTOSAR software architecture for modern mobility. Let's call upon Dr. Bunzel with a round of applause.
Okay, thank you very much.
Before lunch, I know we're all hungry and famished, so we've altered the agenda a little bit. We just have one speaker, and we'll break for lunch, and then we'll carry on. So coming up next is Mr. Ashok Chandak from NXP Semiconductors India, who's a senior director. His topic for the day is Global Trends Challenge the Society, High Performance Mixed Signal, Leading Through Innovation. So let's call upon Mr. Chandak with a round of applause.
Some other business reason is not here today, so I am a stopgap arrangement. So you can expect something more than me.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you all enjoyed your lunch. Post-lunch, our first speaker this afternoon is Mr. Guru Prasad RP from Freescale India. He's the marketing manager, automotive. His topic for this afternoon is automotive electronics, market trends, and industry update. So let's call upon Mr. Guru Prasad with a round of applause. Thank you very much. We next have amongst us Mr. Quast from Tyco Electronics, and his topic for the day is miniaturized contact systems. Small is more than beautiful. He's a senior director of Tyco Electronics. Let's call him upon with a round of applause.
Welcome to my presentation. Normally I have to say, depends of the time schedule.
Mr. Quast, to make it short and sweet. Ladies and gentlemen, coming up next is Mr. Shantanu Prabhudesai from Etresis Software Technologies Private Limited. And his topic for the day is seamless interconnectivity for the Indian in-car infotainment market. Let's another round of applause for Mr. Shantanu.
And good afternoon. I hope it's...
Mr. Khan. Ladies and gentlemen, we end this session here today. Thank you very much for your time. I am your Master of Ceremonies, Sneha Nagpal, signing off for the last 2 days. Thank you very much.